this stage here is pretty unique in the fact that you start in the middle of the stage and it's 160 points, 32 rounds, and there's targets everywhere and there's multiple positions. So the reason why I say it's unique is because you have to run to a certain position to activate a swinging target. Once you activate that swinging target, it can be shot from a couple of different positions. So advantageously, I'm trying to think, where can I shoot that? Can I get the swinger started early to make sure it's a little slower by the time I get to it? And overall, I want to try to not go to every position. So I'm looking at ways to mesh these positions together as much as possible. And I think if I activate that activator box with my left foot, that'll set up my shoulders in a certain side of the range that I need to be in, and I can shuffle back, get to one spot, and I can clean 6 targets plus the swinger, so 7 targets from one spot. And then while I'm reloading, I'll back up here, shoot 3 targets, and then I'll start shooting another 3 targets on the move, and then finally finishing for my last 3 targets. So if it's done correctly, it's really only shot from 3 positions rather than 4, and that'll save me some serious time.
So hot right now.
The swinger was a risk, man.
Who's got the pass?
The swinger was good though.
That's a good shot though.
Thanks, bro. Dude, that swinger was hard as heck trying to shoot it backing up like that, and the thing's going.
Man. And you started.
That was a good stage. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of moving, like I said. You know, you had to have your footwork just right, and the swinger was risky. I tried to shoot all those targets on the move, backing up, and I knew there weren't great shots on the swinger, but for me to wait for the time for it to come back and get hung up there, I wanted to keep going. I wanted to keep moving, and it worked out well. So I was happy with it.